Hello and welcome to a basic Python course for beginners. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to receive support online. First, let me indicate that Udemy comes with a built-in function that allows you to ask questions. By asking questions, you not only ask the student database, but you ask me as well. I frequently looked at these asked questions and answer many of them. So, if you struggle with a particular section in this course, feel free to leave a question for me to see, and I'll no doubt answer it. The second way you can seek support is through Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a huge programming reference site that programmers all over the world use to help with their coding. To access Stack Overflow, you simply Google it, but what we're going to do is look for Stack Overflow for Python. So we type in Python Stack Overflow, and what appears at the very top is Stack Overflow Asked Questions. As you can see, there are many users asking questions which are being answered within minutes. As you can see here at the top, you can search whatever languages you need information on. You can go for the Info tab, or you can search a specific function, such as Python input. By searching this, you come up with several results which help you find out what input is in Python and how to get it, such as user input and arguments or external commands in Python. Usually the one you're looking for is found at the top, and in this way Stack Overflow is incredibly useful when dealing with errors in Python. As a beginner in programming, you face many errors, which is why these are the two best options that I can offer you to help you solve them. That concludes this lesson. In the next video, we'll be talking about what is Python.